In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple chart windows on Tradingview so you can monitor different assets side by side. This is a great feature if you're tracking multiple timeframes or instruments. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard after logging in. Then go to the Product tab at the top to reveal the drop-down options. Choose Supercharts so you can open the full chart interface. Next, click the small layout icon located on the left side of your username in the upper right corner. This opens layout settings. Now choose your preferred multi-chart layout like 2, 4, or more windows, and it will automatically update your chart view with the selected layout. But keep in mind, you'll need to upgrade your account to the premium plan to unlock multiple chart layout options. And that's how to open multiple chart windows on TradingView. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more bite-sized tech guides. See you next time!